Welcome to TriQuint Semiconductor. Before entering the fab, there are several things that you must know in order to protect yourself, the wafers, and the cleanroom environment. The TriQuint fab is a Class 100 cleanroom. This means there are only 100 particles per cubic foot of air. In comparison, the air inside a typical office building contains up to 1 million particles per cubic foot of air. The wafers and processes in the fab are highly sensitive to particle contamination. A particle 200 times smaller than a human hair is large enough to cause contamination issues and electrical failures on our wafers. Keeping particles at bay is an essential component of cleanroom protocol. Many common items are not allowed in the fab. For example, pencils, office and copier paper, food, drinks, cosmetics including chapstick, gum or candy, and much more. Always ask your supervisor or trainer before bringing items into the fab. If you need a notebook, there are cleanroom notebooks and other cleanroom supplies such as pens and safety glasses located in the stockroom. Everything brought into the fab needs to be wiped down with DI water or isopropyl alcohol. Dust and dirt clinging to items can damage wafers and contaminate the cleanroom. We must also protect the fab and wafers from another contamination hazard, you. To curb contamination at the door, everyone is required to wear a bunny suit when entering the TriQuint fab. Lint and dust from clothing, flakes of skin, hair, particles from your mouth and nose are all sources of contamination. Putting on the appropriate fab attire occurs in the change room. The change room is separated into two parts, the outer change room and the inner change room. Leave non-clean room approved items in the outer change area, or leave them in your locker or at your desk. The outer change area is where the bouffant hair cover and the required face or beard cover is applied. Once inside the inner change area, choose a hood, bunny suit, and pair of boots from the bins. Starting from the top and moving down, put the hood on over your bouffant. Next, put on your bunny suit, being careful not to let it drag on the floor. Then, tuck your hood under your bunny suit shoulders and zip and snap your suit all the way up to your neck. Slip cleanroom boots over your street shoes, matching sole to sole, and tighten the straps to ensure a snug fit. To finish, you must put on latex or vinyl gloves. Liners are optional. Make sure that your gloves are pulled over the cuffs of your bunny suit. Then put on your safety or prescription glasses. You are now ready to enter the cleanroom. When you leave the fab, just do everything in reverse. Remove your gloves and liners, place them into the proper receptacles, then slip off your boots, bunny suit, and hood, placing them on your assigned hanger or in a laundry bin. Leaving your cleanroom attire on the benches is not allowed. Keep your bouffant and face cover on until you exit the change room. You are an important part of quality control inside the cleanroom. Leave your beard cover over your mouth and nose at all times. If you sneeze and need to replace your cover, return to the change room to get a new one. Always wear your gloves, and if you need to change them, do it quickly without touching any wafers or equipment. Do not write on any of your cleanroom attire. Ink is also a source of contamination. Besides the obvious safety concerns, running or horseplay generate huge amounts of particles and are not allowed. TriQuint cleanroom protocol is in place for your protection and to avoid costly wafer damage or breakage. To improve safety and efficiency, keep your workstation clean and clutter-free. Every TriQuint fab employee is required to begin their shift with a thorough wipe down of the work area. Depending on the application, add water or IPA to a clean room cloth. Move over the surface in a linear, non-scrubbing motion. Be careful not to spray liquid on any equipment, baths, or wafers. Vacuum wands need to be wiped with IPA. Inspect for flaws or foreign objects that could scratch a wafer or cause the wand to lose suction on a wafer. Keep chemical containers, vacuum wand lines, and cords in their designated locations to reduce cleanroom clutter and prevent trip hazards. These are the TriQuint Clean Room Basics. Ask your supervisor, trainer, or any certified FAB employee if you need more information.